Yeah, yeah, Lego got that beat. We can take a trip all across the world. Cause you my girl. Nah, 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 nah. We can take a flight and sit first class. I'ma show you things that you never seen, girl. Let's fly to Puerto Rico and drink. Nah, 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 nah. We can land in Fiji and relax on the beach. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, yeah. You the one for me. You the one, baby. You the one that I give my all to. Yeah, my all to. Woo. She really love my work ethic. Call me Young Diddy, man. I do this shit with no effort. Fly from Atlanta, land in Puerto Rico. Champagne views, chilling on the balcony. I love you in your bathrobe, your bathrobe. I really wanna love you. Come and talk to me. Oh, I really.
This is my first time ever doing a vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, there will be more to come. I'm just super excited to share my 26th birthday with you guys. And yeah, so let's turn up. We are about to head to Chicago. And yeah, I guess the next time you will see me, we will be heading to the airport.
Talk dirty to me, baby, when I pipe that. Take a trip all across the world. Cause you my girl. Nah, 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 nah. We can take a flight and sit first class. I'ma show you things that you never seen, girl. Let's fly to Puerto Rico and drink. Nah, 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 nah.
This is my first time vlogging, and it feels very, very weird sitting in the middle of the airport talking to myself. But I guess I need to get used to it. I'm just waiting for my flight. I'm pretty sure it's late because we were supposed to leave at 7. It is now 7:26. So yeah, I'm just sitting here, so it's pretty boring. So I'm going to check back in once we get on the plane.
You the one, baby. You the one that I give my all to. Yeah, my all to. Baby, let's chill on the beach and watch the.
Do you see the red dot? We got goodies. Aw, you didn't have to do this.
Is it sad I don't want to talk back?
You talk. Oh my gosh, I already know what this is. I just touched one in the room. Ah, it is the one I just told you everyone wants.
I know. That's why I told you not to open it.
Thank you.
Open the rest.
Jacqueline Hill, yes.
She's coming here to an Ulta on September 8th.
We got matching palettes.
What are you doing?
Wait, she's coming to your store?
No, I won't be there. I'll be doing a wedding. I know.
Is heart-shaped tape in here?
No. That's the only thing they don't give us.
Aww.
I know, because
I need to live by that.
I know you bring your little coffee cup in there like that every day.
I wake up for makeup. Oh, that's cute.
That's just all my little tart stuff.
Princess is sleeping. Yes, I am sleeping. Oh, we got makeup. Oh.
That's just like minis. And then there's one more in the bag.
You know, I've never really played with hard makeup like that before.
Honestly, that Smooth Operator's popping. I don't know.
So this means I only have to buy one.
Yes,
per palette.
they were sold out.
Which one?
You got more than I did.
Alyssa, you bought me 3.
I know. They're cute. My favorite YouTube girl needs them. And then when you review it, you can thank me.
I'm about to get drunk.
Mm-hmm.
Sunset, the water ain't the only thing wet. I got it dripping. Sex on that beach with that Henny, that's what we sipping. Fully staffed villas on islands, that's how we living. Baby, that's how we living. You can have whatever you want, girl, you're worth it. Living in the moment is fun when I'm with you. We just living life how we want without no rules. Yeah, yeah, I'm the one that ain't the type to let the ball drop. Even through our baggage, we just claim each other non-stop. You never know what it is until you feel it. That feeling you can't forget. It's something that's really different. It's never been counterfeit. We can take a trip all across the world. Cause you my girl. Nah, 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 nah. We can take a flight and sit first class. I'ma show you things that you never seen, girl. Let's fly. on the beach. Nah, 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 yeah, yeah. You the one for me, you the one, baby. You the one that I give my all to, yeah. My all to.
Okay. Wait, it's tilting up to your ass.
You gotta hold it. I gotta. There's a lot.
Well, I'll just go because it should be more people coming.
Nope. I'm not waiting because you're not gonna want to do it then. So we're gonna do it now. She has been procrastinating meeting you guys.
I know you're not.
Yes. Stop. She's very camera shy.
Yeah, no. I know.
I'll record her when she's drunk.
I've been all alone. I've been all alone. With no place to call home. I've been traveling all across the world. Ain't nothing like being home with my girl. She the one that keep me balanced. She became my bad habit. I ain't gotta see it for a couple days. When I see it, it's automatic. We just be missing each other. It's crazy how friends become lovers. Now I'm missing the fact that I fucked up and I never cuffed her. Ain't no coming back from that though. I broke her heart like an asshole. Playing with her feelings. Enough's enough, she told me good riddance. She used to be stuck on a nigga, but she just gave up on a nigga. She didn't have to really pray for a nigga. Man, she still got love for a nigga. Love for a nigga. You're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. You want things I can't provide right now, so I gotta let you know like you're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. So I gotta let you know like you're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. You want things I can't provide right now, so I gotta let you know like you're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. How can I give you myself when I'm not ready for love? Girl, I'll be selfish if I keep leading you on. But fuck that, I hit your phone and you hit ignore. I'm saying things that you can't ignore. Remember the times I hit it raw, the positive feelings that we can't withdraw. Ain't no going back now. You done moved on, so what you doing better now? Who's better than me, not him? Cause he ain't gonna show you how to get it. I'ma show you how to flip it. He ain't gonna show you what to do. I'ma show you how to make a move. Do we hit the spot right? Make you levitate the certain height. Bet he can't love you how you like. You're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. You want things I can't provide right now, so I gotta let you know like you're the right one at the wrong time. 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 You want things I can't provide right now, so I gotta let you know like you're the right one at the wrong time. You're the right one at the wrong time. So I gotta let you know like wow. Yeah. Niggas steady talking, we don't do that. I could walk up in this spot and niggas be like, who that? It's
hey, sick of these niggas. I'm sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Get rid of these niggas. I'm not with the rah-rah. I am a dog.
All that's conversation. You call me weak and you tested my manhood as we.
It's so pretty here. The weather is perfect today. It's Drake Day. So excited for that. Right now we're just walking
To the bean.
We're going to the bean and then some other place.
Signature Lounge.
Signature Lounge. And then we're going back to the house, resting, and then preparing for Drake.
Different question when you jiggy and you drip that. I just got the keys, LOA's how I did that. I move different from other niggas. I don't think about it, I just do me. Never been a designer type, I design my path and I'm Gucci. Niggas claiming they get the paper, but really, nigga, they loose leaf. Feeling good, feeling great, nigga. That's the motto by the way, nigga. I done seen a wrinkle lifestyle, but the ironies that I've been in. I used to battle with self-doubt, had to go to war, face my own fears. I'm another rank, my level up ain't the same. Niggas claiming they day ones, but niggas ain't really gang. What I speak into existence. Don't get it twisted, everything ain't sweet. God, family, and my motivation is the only thing that kept me on my feet. I can bet it all, nigga. I'm here to win, I don't smell defeat. 7 days out of every week, 10,000 hours made me unique. I don't stay ain't me. You can't box me and you can't cage me. I'm the one that steady shining.
Wanna know what I wish for?
You're not supposed to tell me.
I wanna tell you anyways.
For Drake to be my baby daddy.
Bearded chocolate man.
For me and you, bitch.
Big time, yeah. I'm the one that steady shining when I step foot up in any room. I'm the one that steady shining. That LOA made a nigga smooth. Niggas steady talking, we don't do that. I could walk up in this spot and niggas be like, who that? It's a different question when you jiggy and you drip that. I just got the keys, LOA's how I did that. What we think will become. It's great. I've been wavy since a young bull. I don't follow trends, I don't follow rules. I'm the one that they pick and choose, cause I don't never lose. I get double she runs to when she needs to let loose and just escape. I made my buzz in the light, yeah, and I did it all in my own space. Man, I'm cut from a different cloth. This type of fab you can't get in stores. My shirt tags say made in Jersey. I was raised in the garden where we stay facts. Found a new route, changed my whereabouts, moved down south to the A. Never worry about yesterday. Yes, I claim my future every day. Certain things always stuck with me. My father said money don't grow on trees. Working for somebody ain't for me, and I ain't leaving my blood on any leaves. My mom said worth a couple mil. I need a couple mil for any deal. Man, and I been that nigga with charisma. I ain't need no help from no damn filter. Overtime, I put in overtime just to see this dream really come true. Don't waste my time, and that's the bottom line. It's transparent, y'all niggas see through. I ain't never been one for talking. I just let my actions speak for me. I'm the dopest nigga coming out. Ain't nobody fucking with Ronnie. Niggas steady talking, we don't do that. I could walk up in this spot and niggas be like, who that? It's a different question when you jiggy and you drip that. I just got the keys, LOA's how I did that. What we think we become. I always been a nigga.
Okay, so the food that I just showed you guys was so fucking delicious. It's this place right here. It is called Quarantino's. It is so cute. And the food, oh my god, I just like had the best shrimp alfredo I've ever had in my life.
Imported.
It felt like it was imported straight from, I want to say Italy. It didn't really say on the menu, but it did say it was imported. But yeah, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. We're about to catch an Uber and go back to the house to start to prepare for Drake.
I'm dripped up, pull up in the Nissan. Jiggy nigga, these frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping water, yeah. I'm dripped up, pull up in the Nissan. Jiggy nigga, stay wavy with my chain on. Cardi frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping water, yeah. I'm dripped up. I've been dripping 24/7. Drip, drip. Dripping like a Porsche 911. Yeah. Doing 105 down 85. My homie sparked the blunt, trying to reach the sky. Man, I swear her nigga pie, she want a slice of me. She can't find another me, I move differently. Go get her. Man, I got it out the mud, I don't know niggas. I ain't tryna dab you up. I trust nobody. I trust these blue faces. Making money to spend it, I'm landing new places. I knew when I was a youngin', I will be at the top. Now the top is on.
All that other shit, it's too late for all that. It's too late for all that. Hey, it's too late for
with my chain on. Cardi frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping water, yeah. I'm dripped up. Pull up in the Nissan. Jiggy niggas stay.
Niggas say they killing people, but I really fucking do it. I really want no friend.
Wavy with my chain on. Cardi frames on my face, man, I'm iced out. Whoa, dripping.
Hi guys. It is officially my last night in Chicago. It is officially my birthday. I've had so much fun since I've been here. I don't want to go home, but I do because I miss my little baby Rover, so I cannot wait to go home to see him. I am getting ready to take my makeup off. I'm real tired. Drake concert last night was so lit, like really lit. It was the best birthday gift ever. I had a lot of fun, like a lot of fun, and I was looking hella cute. But yeah, so I am about to take my makeup off and then just relax in this gorgeous apartment with Miss Alyssa. I don't know what time it is right now, but I'm just tired, and I know it's my last night. I should turn up, but the Drake concert last night, I turned up enough. I felt sick all day today. I tried to drink some tequila and it was not good, so yeah. But I am gonna end the vlog here because who wants to see me at the airport again? And plus I'm not putting on makeup tomorrow because I got an early flight. So yeah, so I'm just gonna say, oh, hi Zoe. That's Zoe, guys. Isn't she so cute? Oh, you're so cute, you're so cute. But yeah, so we're gonna end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed my birthday trip to Chicago. I had so much fun. My cute little outfit, what I wore today is my birthday outfit. I had on red lips, but I took them off. Yeah, let me show you a full body. Let's see, gotta situate myself. This is what we looked like today on our birthday. I got this from Lola Boutique. Now Miss Lola, I think it's called. I don't know. But yeah, it's a cute little outfit. Oh guys, I'm 26. I'm 26. I'm old.